Hi, today is 25th August, Saturday, and we are here in Toronto Zoo with my friend Harneet.
Hello.
With my baby Liu, and with my hubby. Okay, yeah, we visited all these places all over here, and now only the Tundra region is left. So we are on the way to Tundra region, and we are enjoying a lot. We carried all food with us, and it was really a great time, an awesome time. And baby is all the time busy with his some or the other work, collecting stones and collecting stamps. And his father is all the time busy in capturing photographs. And Harneet and me are all the time busy shopping and this and that. But it was really a good time and we enjoyed a lot today. Hope we have such days every day.
We
But
have
boy-
next Saturday because we are going to Wonderland.
Oh, next Saturday it's time for Wonderland, Canada's biggest and the largest ride.